Now application of trigonometry, angle of elevation. Now what is angle of elevation? Supposing AM is a horizontal line and the observer जो देख रहा है जो आदमी वो observer समझो A point में है और कुछ and he is observing something point B which is at a higher level than the horizontal line. That means point B is at a higher level and observer is observing the point B. Then we say that angle BAM. Then angle BAM is known as angle of elevation. यानी कुछ भी अपन नीचे से ऊपर देख रहा होगा तो जो एंगल बनता है उसको बोलता है एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. नाउ इन दिस एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, नाउ AM is a horizontal line and observer A is somewhere at the top and he is observing point C which is at a lower level. Then we say that angle MAC is what? Angle of depression. यानी जो observer है कोई point C नीचे मतलब lower level में है और A जो है ऊपर के लेवल में है, जैसे कि कोई बिल्डिंग के ऊपर खड़ा है और कुछ पॉइंट C जो नीचे है वो ऑब्जर्व करता है, तो ऐसा एंगल को बोलता है एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. सो एंगल MAC इज व्हाट? एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. Angle of depression. So the next exercise is based on this, that is application of trigonometry. Now sum number 1, a person is standing at a distance of 80 meters. So let us assume a person standing at a distance of 80 meters. So this is the position of the person is A. Let us take this as C and B. So distance between BC is given how much? The person is standing at a distance of 80 meters from the church, looking at its top. So let us assume that this is the church. So AB is the height of the church and C is the position of the person and he is looking at the top of the church. And we have to find out the height of the church. And the angle of elevation made by the observer while looking at the top is how much? 45 degrees. So we have to find out the height of the church. Now whatever diagram you have drawn, you have to explain that. So let us assume AB is equal to height of the church. Point C is the position of the person. तो ये C जो है वो person is standing over here. So point C is the position of the person. BC, that is this distance. BC is equal to what? 80 meters. Is the distance between the church and the person. Distance between the church and the person. And angle of elevation is how much? Angle of elevation that is theta is equal to how much? Angle ACB. Angle ACB which is equal to how much? 45 degree. Now we have to find out the height of the church, that is AB we have to find out. Now we know that AB is the opposite side of this angle and BC is the adjacent side. So opposite side and adjacent side is in which trigonometric ratio? In tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side, that is AB upon BC. Now what is theta? Equal to 45 degree. Therefore tan 45 degree is equal to AB we have to find out, and BC we know. BC is equal to how much? 80 meter. So BC is equal to 80 meter. What is the value of tan 45 from the trigonometric table which is given, in which the trigonometric values are given? So tan 45, if you look in the table, it is equal to how much? That is equal to 1. So in place of tan 45 you will put 1. So 1 is equal to AB upon 80. Bring this 80 on this side, so you'll get 1 into 80 is equal to AB. Therefore AB is equal to how much? 80 meter. So what? Find the height of the church. So what is the answer? Height of the church is 80 meter. Now second sum, from the top of a lighthouse an observer is looking at the ship, makes an angle of depression of 60 degree. So supposing this is a lighthouse, and the observer is at the position A and he is looking at a ship which is at a position C. So C is a position of the ship, and while looking from the lighthouse at the ship, the person, if the height of the lighthouse is 90 meters, so this is 90 meter. So looking at the ship makes an angle of depression. So makes an angle of depression. So here it will come angle of depression. So if this is a horizontal line, then this will be the angle of depression 60 degree. So person, where is the person standing? On the top of the lighthouse, and from the top of the lighthouse he is observing the ship which is at the position C, and while looking at the ship he is making an angle of depression that is equal to 60 degrees. So this will be the angle of depression. Now we have to find out the distance between the lighthouse and the ship, that is BC we have to find out. So if this is 60 degree, then what will be this angle? This angle also will be 60 degree. Why? Because these are alternate angle. AP, let us take this as P. AP is parallel to BC, and angle PAC is equal to angle ACB, that is equal to 60 degree. तो ये होता है एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, लेकिन AP और BC पैरेलल रहता है, तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल रहेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये दोनों ऑल्टरनेट एंगल है, तो ये एंगल भी 60 डिग्री है. सो टेकिंग दिस एज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, वी कैन फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द शिप एंड द लाइट हाउस. Now whatever is drawn in the diagram, explain that AB is equal to 90 meter is the height of the lighthouse. Height of the lighthouse. Point A is the position of observer, and point C is the position of the ship. And BC is equal to distance between the ship and the lighthouse. Angle of depression that is theta is equal to angle PAC. Angle PAC is equal to 60 degree. Now next you have to show that this angle is equal to this angle. AP, ray AP is parallel to side BC and AC is the transversal, and seg AC is the transversal. Therefore angle PAC is equal to angle ACB. That is, this angle and this angle are equal. Angle ACB. Therefore angle ACB is equal to how much? 60 degree. Now solve the sum. Now opposite side, that is AB, is the height of the church, and we have to find out the adjacent side, that is the distance between the lighthouse and the ship. So what we have to find out? Tan 60, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? What is tan theta? AB upon BC. Now theta is equal to how much? 60 degree. Therefore tan 60 degree is equal to AB. AB is equal to how much? 90 meter. 90 upon BC. What's the value of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is root 3. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Trigonometric value देखेगा तो tan 60 root 3 है. Therefore root 3 is equal to 90 upon BC. Therefore BC is equal to 90. BC will come here and root 3 will go over here. 90 upon root 3. Now since in the denominator root is there, so BC, rationalize the denominator. So that's equal to 90 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. So that's equal to 90 root 3, and root 3 into root 3 is how much? 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 30s are, so that's equal to 30 root 3. Now they have already given the value of root 3. Root 3 in the bracket they have given 1.73. So that's equal to 30 into 1.73. So that's equal to how much? 51.90 meter. So what is the answer? The distance between the ship, how far is the ship from the lighthouse? So the ship is at a distance of 51.90 meter away from the lighthouse. Away from the lighthouse. Now sum number 3. Two buildings are facing each other on the road of width 12 meter. From the top of the first building, which is 10 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of the second is found to be 60 degree. That means one of the building is taller than the other building. So let us take the two buildings. And this is a second building. Let us assume one of the building is taller and the other building is shorter. So let us name this as AB and this as CD. Now they have said when the person, and the height of this building is given how much? 10 meter, and width of the road is given how much? 12 meter. So it's equal to 12 meter. Let us assume that the person is observing from point A. He is standing on the building AB and is observing the top of the second building and makes an angle of elevation of how much? 60 degree. So draw an horizontal, that is draw a perpendicular So let us draw this perpendicular and name it as E. And this angle of elevation is how much? 60 degree. So we have to find out the height of the second building, that is CD. Now AB and CD, AB is equal to how much? 10 meter is the height of the first building, and CD is the height of the second building. Second building. Is the height of the second building, and BC is equal to 12 meter is the width of the road, is the width of the road. The two buildings are on the either side of the road, so the width of the road is how much? 12 meter. Now let us construct AE. So draw AE perpendicular to side CD. That means on this side CD it is perpendicular, and angle of elevation that is theta is equal to what? Angle DAE is equal to 60 degree. Now in quadrilateral ABCE, मतलब ये वाला quadrilateral ABCE में angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree, angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree, and angle E is also equal to 90 degree, that is this angle. This angle is also 90 degree. Why? Because seg AE is perpendicular to seg CD. Therefore, angle A will be equal to 90 degree, remaining angle of the quadrilateral. एंगल ऑफ क्वाड्रिलैटरल, मतलब ये क्वाड्रिलैटरल में बी सी और ई तीनों भी 90 डिग्री है, तो ए ऑटोमेटिकली 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर क्वाड्रिलैटरल ए बी सी ई is a rectangle, so it is a rectangle. Therefore BC is equal to AE is equal to 12 meter. Same way AB is equal to CE, AB is equal to CE, that is equal to 10 meter. Why? Opposite sides of rectangle. Are equal. So if this is 10 meter, this will also be 10 meter, that is CE, and if this is 12 meter, this will also be 12 meter. Now we have to find out DE. So how to find out DE? DE is the opposite side of this angle, and AE is the adjacent side, so we have to use tan 60 degree. So in triangle DADE, tan theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to 60 degree. Tan theta is equal to how much? Opposite side, that is DE, upon adjacent side, that is AE. That is tan 60 degree is equal to DE we have to find out, and AE is equal to how much? 12 meter. Now tan 60 degree is equal to how much? Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to DE upon 12. Bring this 12 on this side. Therefore DE is equal to how much? 12 root 3. Now we know the value of root 3. That is how much? 1.73. So therefore DE is equal to how much? 20.76 meter. So DE we have got 20.76 meter. So we can find out the full length of the building. So length of the building is how much? CD. So CD is equal to what? DE plus EC. DE we have got 20.76 and EC is equal to how much? 10 meter. 10. So that's equal to 30.76 meter. So CD is equal to 30.76 meter. So what's the answer? The height of the second building is how much is the height of the second building? Is 30.76 meter. Now in this sum they had not given in the bracket what is the value of root 3. So you can keep DE equal to 12 root 3 and CD is equal to what? DE plus EC, that's equal to 12 root 3 plus 10. So the height of the second building is how much? 10 plus 12 root 3. So you can keep it this way if root 3 value is not given. But if root 3 value is given, then you have to find out this way. You have to put the value of root 3 and then find out the actual calculation of that. So in this sum, root 3 was not given. So you can keep the answer this way. The height of the second building is how much? 10 plus 12 root 3 meter. Now fourth sum they have given two poles of heights 18 meter and 7 meter are erected on a ground. So there are two poles of height 18 meter. The bigger one is 18 meter, the smaller one is 7 meter, which is erected on the ground. The length of the wire fastened at their top. So the length of the wire which is fastened means between the two poles there is a wire connected between them, and the length of the wire is how much? 22 meter. We have to find out the angle made with the horizontal line, the angle made between the horizontal. Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal line. So find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal line. So this theta angle we have to find out theta. Let us construct this as E. Let us take this building as AB, not building, pole, and this has CD, and let us take this point as E. Now like the previous sum only, you have to write down everything. What is AB? AB is equal to 7 meter is the height of the smaller pole, and CD is equal to 18 meter is the height of the bigger pole. The length of the wire, that means AC. AC is equal to how much? 22 meter is the length of the wire. And we have to find out theta. So angle angle of elevation, or you can write down directly angle CAE, that is theta, is equal to theta. Angle CAE is equal to theta, which we have to find out, which is not given. So angle CAE is equal to theta. So we have to find out that. Now draw seg AE. Seg AE perpendicular to side CD, and in quadrilateral ABDE, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree, and angle E is also equal to 90 degree. Why? Seg AE is perpendicular to seg CD. We had drawn. So this angle is 90 degree. So therefore angle A is also equal to 90 degree. Why? Remaining angle of quadrilateral. Therefore quadrilateral, so this we have got 90, this we have got 90, this is also 90, this is also 90. Therefore quadrilateral ABDE is a rectangle. Therefore AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE will be equal to how much? 7 meter. So that's equal to 7 meter. So this will be 7 meter. So how much will be CE? Therefore CE is equal to what? We will take full length CD. CD is made up of what? CE plus ED. That is this one. CD is made up of CE and ED. CD we know is equal to how much? 18. CE we don't know. Plus ED we have got 7 meter. So therefore CE is equal to how much? 18 minus 7. Therefore CE is equal to 11 meter. So we have got this 11 meter. Now we know the opposite side in triangle ACE, in triangle right angled triangle. Triangle ACE, we know the hypotenuse, we know the opposite side. So in which trigonometric ratio we have opposite side and hypotenuse? Sine theta. So sine theta is equal to opposite side, that is CE upon AC. CE is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore sine theta is equal to CE we have got how much? 11 meter, and AC we have got how much? 22 meter. So that is, when we cancel that, we get how much? 1 upon 2. So sine theta we have got 1 upon 2. So which theta in trigonometric ratio, which angle of sine is equal to half? That is sine 30 degree. But sine 30 degree is equal to half. Therefore theta is equal to what? 30 degree. So theta is equal to 30 degree. So they have asked the angle made by the wire, the angle made by the wire with the horizontal is 30 degree. Now fifth sum, they have given a storm broke a tree and the tree top rested 20 meter from the base of the tree, making an angle of 60 degrees. So if this is the tree, that is AB is the height of the tree. So this is the tree and the tree broke at the position C. So tree broke point C is a point from where the tree broke. So it broke, BC broke and went and fell on the ground. So this is CD and BC is equal only. So this part of the tree broke and fell down on the ground. Where the tree broke and fell at the ground and fell on the ground at point D. At a point D. And the angle made by the tree on the ground is given how much? Is equal to 60 degrees. So this angle is given 60 degree and the distance between the tree and the tree top rested. So AD is equal to 20 meters. So this is 20 meters. So distance between the tree is the distance between the tree and the broken part. And the broken part of the tree. तो जो ट्री है वो ये पूरा ट्री है, लेकिन तूफान की वजह से वो टूट गया और टूट के यहाँ से टूट गया, पॉइंट सी से टूट के वो नीचे आके गिरा और जब नीचे गिरा तो ग्राउंड के साथ कितना एंगल बनाया? 60 डिग्री. तो ट्री के ये ट्री और ब्रोकन पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री जो आके गिरा उसके बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस है? 20 मीटर. तो अपन को ये पूरा हाइट ढूंढना है. तो पहले अपन AC ढूंढेगा. दिस इज right angle triangle. So in right angle, first you have to write down theta, angle CDA, angle CDA, that is theta is equal to how much? 60 degree. Now write down in right angled triangle CAD. Now we know the adjacent side and we have to find out the opposite side. So adjacent side and opposite side comes in which? Tan. So tan theta is equal to opposite side, that is AC, upon adjacent side, that is AD. Now theta is equal to how much? 60 degree. Therefore tan 60 degree is equal to AC, we don't know, and AD is equal to what? 20 meter. Now tan 60 is how much? Tan 60 is root 3. Therefore root 3 is equal to AC upon 20. AC upon 20. Now take the 20 on the other side, so you will get what? AC is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Since they have not given in the question the value of root 3, you can keep it that way. If they give the value of root 3, then multiply with a value of root 3, that is 1.73, and you will get an answer, and then you have to find out the height of the tree. Now we have to find out this broken part also. We have only got this much part of the tree. अब ये BC part भी ढूंढना है, जो BC part आके नीचे टूट के गिरा है. तो ये part और ये part equal है. BC is equal to CD. Why? Because यही पार्ट टूट के नीचे गिरा हुआ है. तो अभी अपन को CD का पार्ट ढूंढना है. अभी CD और एडजेसेंट साइड पता है, मतलब एडजेसेंट साइड और हाइपोटेन्यूज, वो किस में आता है, कॉस में आता है। तो कॉस डीटा is equal to adjacent side, that is AD, upon hypotenuse, that is CD. Cos 60 degree is equal to AD is 20 and CD is equal, we have to find out. Now cos 60 degree is equal to how much? Half. Half is equal to 20 upon CD. Bring this CD over here. So CD into 1 is what? CD, and 2 into 20. So CD is equal to 40 meter. So we have got this 40 meter. So this will be also 40 meter. And this we have got how much? 20 root 3. So the full length of the tree AB is equal to how much? AB is equal to BC plus AC plus BC. AC is equal to 20 root 3 and BC is equal to 40. So the height of the tree is how much? 40 plus 20 root 3 meter. Height of the tree is 40 plus 20 root 3 meter. Now sixth sum, last sum of practice at 6.2. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters. So kite is somewhere here, and from the ground it is above the ground. How much above the ground? 60 meters. So this is 60 meter. Let us take this as A and B. The string attached to the kite is tied to the ground. A string is attached to the kite and which is tied to the ground at this point, and it makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. So this is a string which is attached to the ground and makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. We have to find the length of the string. So we have to find out the length of the string. So over here, what is AB? AB is equal to 60 meter is the distance between the kite and the ground, is the distance between the kite and ground, and AC is the length of the string. Length of the string. Angle between the string and the ground between string and ground is what? Theta. That's equal to how much? 60 degree. We have to find out AC. Now we have the opposite side. This is angle, and the angle opposite to that, the side opposite to angle 60 degree we know, and we have to find out the hypotenuse, that the length of the string. So opposite side upon hypotenuse comes in which trigonometric ratio? Sine theta. So sine in right angled triangle ABC, sine 60 degree, sine theta is equal to what? Opposite side AB upon hypotenuse, that is AC. Now sine 60 degree is equal to AB is how much? 60 upon BC. We have to, not BC, AC we have to find out. Now what is the value of sine 60? Root 3 upon 2 is equal to 60 upon AC. Now cross multiply. Take this AC over here. So root 3 into AC is equal to 60. 60 into 2 is equal to 60 into 2. Therefore, AC is equal to what? 60 into 2 upon root 3. We never keep a root in the denominator, so rationalize the denominator. So AC is equal to what? 60 into 2 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. So in the numerator and denominator, multiply by root 3. So what you will get? 60 into 2 into root 3, and root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. 3 ones are 3 20s are. So 20 into 2 is what? 40 root 3. That's equal to, now in this sum they have given in the bracket the value of root 3, that is 1.73. So 40 into 1.73, that's equal to how much? 69.20 meters. So AC is equal to 69.20 meter. So the answer is what? The length of the string is length of the string is 69.20 meter.